everybody, it's me, Tess, with Tess Loves Yarn. And you guys, I am here today with, dun 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 dun, a Mary Maxim crochet kit unboxing. So yeah, I'm going to open this with you guys today, but before I get started with that, I want to apologize for not making a video for you guys last weekend. My daughter actually moved out last weekend. Yeah, so we were very busy all week, really last week, like helping her with packing and, getting the new place ready and all the things that you do with moving. And then we actually moved her over the weekend. So it was a very busy week last week, and I just was so exhausted. There was no way I was going to be able to film a video. So apologize for that, but I am back and experiencing some of the like empty nester stuff. I mean, we still have Wonder Boy with us, but Wonder Boy will always live with us because he has a dual diagnosis of Down syndrome and autism. So he will always be with mom and dad. But yeah, my other two kids are both moved out. So it's just the three of us now, which is kind of crazy. It's because for 30 years we've had kids in the house, and now we just have Wonder Boy. So yeah, it is what it is, right? Ooh, sorry about that. I'm also getting a summer cold, so that's another thing. But anyway, yeah, I'm sorry, but that's gonna stay in the video because I don't edit these. What you see is what you get, for good or bad, right? But anyway, we are gonna open this Mary Maxim kit, and I'm gonna share with you what I think about it. I have really had some mixed feelings about the Mary Maxim monthly crochet kit lately. They have been giving us a whole lot of discontinued yarn, which bothers me. Now, it may not bother you. It bothers me because if I really like the yarn and I want to make a different project other than the pattern that's included in the kit, and I don't have enough of the yarn, if it's discontinued, I can't get it. So, you know what I mean? It's like the whole point of having a monthly crochet kit is to try new yarn, but not try yarn that's been discontinued, that you can't get any more of if you happen to fall in love with it. So that's my gripe with Mary Maxim right now. And for me, it's a pretty substantial gripe. So here we go, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's a Summer Nights. You guys, check it out. That is gorgeous. It's a Summer Nights wrap. Now, Summer Nights, if you guys don't know, I love Summer Nights yarn. It has been discontinued though. I kid you not. It has been discontinued. It is a Lion brand yarn, and they discontinued it not too long ago, which made me extremely sad because I love it. It's a fingering weight yarn, but it is absolutely delicious. I mean, delicious. I love this yarn. So yeah, they have given us 4 balls of Summer Nights yarn. So let me open this up and I will give you some more information about this yarn. If I can get it out of here. So yeah, this is the Summer Nights yarn. Look at that sparkle. And you guys, this is so scrumptious and soft, and I love it. I love it. It is also 82% acrylic and 18% polyester. It's 437 yards, or if you live anywhere else in the world besides the US, it's 400 meters. Okay, so this is a 100-gram ball or a 3.5-ounce ball, and it's a finger weight yarn, which means it's a super fine #1 yarn, and it calls for knitting needles of a 3.25 millimeter or a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Now, what I like to do with this yarn, I love to make lacy things out of this, and I use a much bigger hook. Like, I'll use a 5 mil hook with this finger weight yarn right here, and it has a beautiful drape. It's very lightweight. You can make summer items out of it. Gosh, I just love this. Now, if you want to make something that's not as see-through, then I do recommend that you go down on the hook size to the recommended hook size. But I like lacy things, and I like a lot of like lacy wraps or like little lacy cardigans, you know, things that you can just put on during the summer when you're someplace indoors with the air conditioner on. If you're like me, if I go to like the movie theater or something like that, I freeze to death. It's just so cold in these places. And so having just a real light little thing to throw over you, or a light cardigan, like a summer cardigan, it's perfect, and this is perfect for that. So we get 4 of these, and oh, let me tell you the washing instructions. It's machine wash and machine dry, so you gotta love that, right? Toss it in the washer and the dryer. Now I do I do wash my things separately on gentle, but I still toss this in the washer and dryer all the time. It's perfectly fine. So yeah, let's look at the pattern. The pattern is called Summer Nights Wrap, and this is it. Now that's beautiful, you guys. I love that. That's a really pretty wrap, and I am going to be very happy to make this because this actually is gorgeous. A lot of times with Mary Maxim, I I have noticed that I'm not liking the pattern so much, even if I love the yarn, and I will actually use the yarn and make something totally different. But this, I really like this. Now let's see if they give us a better picture in here. Oh yeah, look. So they're giving us a picture of the motifs. So this is one motif right here, and then they have this one. So you can see it's this one and this one. Bum bum. So you're just doing like, you'll do like a row of these, and then you'll do a row of these, and then you go back to doing a row of these, and then another row of these. So you're just going back and forth until you complete the project. So yeah, let's see. Stitch guide. Does it have any strange stitches? No, it does not. It uses a single crochet, a double crochet, and a half double crochet, and that is it, you guys. Super easy. I would say this is definitely beginner friendly, even though it looks complicated. Just follow your pattern. It is not complicated. This is all made of single crochet, half double crochets, and double crochets. And even beginners can do that. So there you have it. Okay? Absolutely awesome. So I would say for this kit, like, I love this yarn, and I actually tried to get some of this yarn. This is crazy. I actually looked about 2 or 3 weeks ago to see if I could find this anywhere. I did find it online, but it was super expensive because it's been discontinued and somebody's trying to take advantage of that, which makes me mad. But so I did not buy it because I'm not going to reward somebody for price gouging. I'm just not. That's my opinion, you know. But so I didn't buy it, and then look, see, the universe is embracing me because I just got 4 balls of this that I can add to the 3 that I already have over here, and I can make my project now. So I'm super happy. Oh, but then if I make that project, I can't make the wrap. You know what? I'm gonna have to think about this, you guys. What do you think? Should I make a summer tea out of this, or should I make the summer nights wrap? You guys let me know in the comment section below what you think I should make. A summer tea or the summer wrap. All right? So, that is our video today, but before I go, I just want to say quickly, if you are a returning subscriber or a private channel member, you guys know I love you. I have so much gratitude in my heart for you, and I appreciate the way you guys support me video after video, and you're always there for me, and I just love you guys so much. So thank you. If you are new here and you like me and you like my content, I'd be tickled pink if you'd hit that subscribe button and join my little family. It's totally free for you, and it helps me tremendously because YouTube likes that. They like it when you subscribe. They like it when you give the thumbs up. They like it when you comment. It's a thing. It just is. It's a YouTube thing. So yeah. Anyway, like I said, let me know if you think I should make a summer tee, and this one would have like a half sleeve, or yeah, like a little sleeve to it. Maybe like what I have on right now. Or should I make the summer nights wrap? You guys get to choose. Oh, that's fun. I like that. Okay, you guys choose. Summer tea or summer nights wrap? All right, leave a comment. All right, hope you guys all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you next weekend with a brand new video. Thanks, everybody. Bye.